Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. This video is sponsored by the guys over at StockX. I've actually been buying and selling on StockX for a while. I just see it as a great way to cop those sneakers that sell out instantly, and I always take a massive L on every time I try and cop in real time. That's how I use StockX, and occasionally I will sell a pair of sneakers as well. And I've got to say, every time that I've done it, it's gone seamlessly, and I really appreciate the work that the StockX guys do. So when they reached out to make a video with me, I was like, yes, of course. It's not actually something that I've spoken about before on my channel. There is also something special at the end of this video, so if you watch through till the end, you'll be able to find out what it is. Okay, so first things first. If you don't know what StockX is, you might have seen it come up on Google a lot. Basically, if you're trying to look for sneakers, the StockX stuff comes up on the shopping tab on Google and offers you to buy it. But obviously the prices are a little increased from retail because it is retail. But I've seen other things that aren't sneakers on there. I saw the off-white IKEA rug on there earlier in the summer, and I was going to cop it off there, but I ended up just getting it from IKEA itself and then returning it. So basically, it's an online marketplace that facilitates auctions between buyers and sellers. They are the middlemen. They take your payment, they authenticate the shoes or the sneakers or whatever you're purchasing, and the seller sends it to them, and then they send it to the buyer. And it's interesting to know that StockX actually surpassed eBay by sneaker sales, like sneaker transactions, back in 2017. So I feel like it's just kind of boomed in the last few years, and basically I'm going to show you how exactly to order from the website, hopefully show you my new pair of sneakers that arrived. So let's get to ordering. So what you'll do is head to the site, and you will make an account, obviously. And then I'm searching for the X Sacai LD waffle in white because I entered so many raffles for those and was not able to cop a pair. So I'm gonna see the prices and what sizes they have. So here are the sneakers in all their glory. Oh, they are so nice. I'm so sad I wasn't able to cop them at the time of release. So we'll go ahead and look for your size on the side, and all the sizes have different prices because obviously some sizes are more in demand than others. And then you'll click on the buy option. Now you can either place a bid or buy it now. Buy it now is obviously for the price listed that someone is asking for those sneakers. And if you want to place a bid, you can. Let's say we put in a bid of like 350, which is not much lower than the asking price to be honest. And then you can actually I'm just gonna buy it now. I am gonna go ahead and purchase. So the seller has 2 full business days to ship your item to StockX. Might be different around weekends and holidays. And then StockX authenticate, and then they send the sneakers to me. So now that that's done, we just have to wait. Hello gang, welcome back to part 2, I guess, because the sneakers have arrived. Let me go ahead and open these up. I am so excited about these. So there we have the Nike LD Waffle, Summit White, White Wolf Grey, Sacai, UK 9, US 10. And these are like pristine condition as well. Oh, they smell amazing. Why do they smell so good? Here you have the sneakers, the Nike Sacai LD Waffle, and this is the verified StockX authentication tag. So it says verified and authentic on it. So it says, please inspect item, all claims null and void if tag is removed. So someone has personally inspected these sneakers and been like, yeah, they're legit, and attached this tag to it to prove how real they are. So if you go ahead and take that tag away, or if you want to dispute it, I guess you would message them. I've never ever had to dispute a pair of sneakers from StockX. They're just so nice. I honestly can't get over them. They're a beautiful colorway and they're a beautiful sneaker. Oh, they come with blue laces as well, I had no idea. I'm probably just gonna stick to the gray and the white. There you have it. So that is how easy it is. I know it can seem scary and daunting, and like the bidding stuff can seem confusing. But honestly, once you've been using it for a while, you'll kind of get used to it. Whether you want to use it to sell or buy, I think it's good in both respects. So I'm extremely happy with these. I'll show you what they look like on feet. And stay tuned for the giveaway. So since I've partnered up with StockX for this video, I am going to be giving away £500 of credit for StockX, which means you can pick up those X Sacai's if you want, or any sneakers that are under £500. I guess you could put money towards it if they were more than that. But yes, £500 StockX credit, and all you have to do is comment your StockX username in the comments below the video. The giveaway is open for 7 days, and there is a link to create a StockX account in the description box below. If you use that link to create the account, that would be amazing. And then comment your username in the comments, and it's as easy as that. The giveaway is 7 days, and I'll announce the winner after 7 days. I want to say a huge thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Good luck for the giveaway, and I hope you enjoy using StockX. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.